If you want to make that place tight permanently, use this groundnut water, then you will see what I'm talking about. This drink, it is both for women and for men. Yes, a woman can use it to regain a womanhood, and a man can use it to make it stronger. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be using these groundnuts. Yes, I'm going to be using this groundnut or peanut. I'm going to be showing you how you can use groundnuts to regain your womanhood. Yes, it is not only for a woman, also it is also good for a man to make it more stronger. Yes, this is so very effective. You have to give it a try. Really, this really works effective. Yes, I did a video about groundnut before, but I used the roasted groundnut. Yes, and you have to use it correctly. You are going to be using this recipe for just only 5 days. Yes, only for 5 days. Yes, well, watch till the end. At the end of this video, I'm going to be giving more details about how you can use it effectively. And let's jump into the video. Now I'm going ahead to wash my groundnuts. Yes, because it is very important to wash the groundnut before using it. Yeah, because of the chemical they use to preserve the groundnut. It is very important, especially when you are using the roasted groundnut. Please, you have to wash it very well and dry it before using it. I'm going to strain this water out and wash it for the second time. And here is the second time. The water is more clear now because it is very important to wash the groundnuts because of the chemical. Here is my water in the fire and it is already hot. I'm going to be pouring my groundnuts inside. Then I'm going to cover it. I'm going to let it cook about 30 to 40 minutes. Yes, 30 to 40 minutes. I will be right back. And after 30 minutes, this is how my groundnut water is really looking like. Yes, this very dark red. Yes, this is the water we really need. I cook this groundnut or peanuts in 30 minutes. Yes, and I'm going ahead to strain the water. This groundnut over here, you can be able to reuse it again, because definitely you have cooked it once, you can use it again. It is better to use a little of groundnut, cook the actual amount you want, and I'm going to be straining it inside my jar again. This is the water we need. This is the water that you are going to use to regain that womanhood. This is so very, very effective. This drink, it is both for women and for men. Yes, a woman can use it to regain a womanhood, and a man can use it to make it stronger. Try this water. You will see the massive results you really want. You have to try this water. You will see the massive results. Yes. And please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to share my video to that lady that really needs these helpful tips, and to share it to that man out there that really need these helpful tips as well. It is a very, very simple remedy. Yes, it is what you can find everywhere. Please do like my video, share my video, and I will love to see you in my next video. Bye.